Hexomatic review. In this video, I'm going to show you my full review of Hexomatic, which is a web scraping tool that allows you to create automations that can save time and money in your business. So if you're looking to buy Hexomatic, then you need to watch this video towards the end, as I'm going to give you the complete information about Hexomatic. And when you're ready to make the purchase, just click on the link in the description and you'll be good to go. And if you're new to this channel, is all about latest software and info-based product reviews that can help you to grow your business. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on my future videos. So if you're a business owner, then you understand that time is money and how you can save time by automating different tasks in your business, which doesn't require a lot of effort and a lot of coding. And this is where Hexomatic comes into the picture. It is a web scraping tool, which means you can scrape data from any website and use that data to create automation and workflows. There could be multiple use cases for Hexomatic, and I'm going to show you everything about Hexomatic and how it is going to be beneficial to you. So Hexomatic can scrape data. If you need to scrape product information, directories, prospects, listing, you can you do that very easily from Hexomatic, and then use them to create automations, and you can automate many different tasks which are required in your business. And using Hexomatic, you can grow your business. So let me show you how the dashboard looks like for Hexomatic. So this is how this dashboard looks like, and on the dashboard, the first thing which is credit usage. So yes, this is a credit based plan which you can use, and I'll be explaining you more when I tell you about the pricing for Hexomatic. And the next thing you can see is the traffic usage, how much traffic your different workflows and automations are getting. You can get all that information about here, and on the right hand side you can see the number of workflows which you have created. It will tell you about the plan which you have. And there is also a concept of premium credits. So if you want to use some third-party applications to automate few things, then it utilizes the premium credits. I believe that it takes one credit to create one automation or a workflow, but if you have to use a third-party integration, then you have to pay more than the existing credits which are there. So basically, there are three components in Hexomatic. One is the workflow, the other one is scraping recipes, and the third one is automations. So let's have a look at scraping recipes. What all recipes you can create. Recipes are basically different tasks, I can say, which you can create using Hexomatic. So once you are in the scraping recipes, all you need to do, just click on new recipe, and it will ask you for the URL of the website where you want the data to be scraped. So let's say we go to this Hexomatic website, tutorials. Let's open tutorials. Okay, I think this is fine, and let's use this URL and put this URL over here. And the next option you're going to get is a browser mode. You can choose the fast mode, and there is a full stack as well. And then the other option is the proxy mode, and under proxy mode you have got the data center, residential IPs, and residential geo IPs. So with the data center mode chosen, then it is automatically going to assign the different IP addresses. So as you can see, I have put in the URL, and it has come up with this view of the entire page. And now let's say I want to collect all the headlines on this particular page. I just need to take my mouse over the headline, just need to click on it, and either I can select a single or select all, and they have got these different options which are available. So let's say I want to select all of these recipes, so I can just name it titles. I want to collect the titles of this page, and it is given that it has got 10 different items which it is going to collect. And under the type, you can select the different options are available: unset, source URL, link URL. So I would want to collect the text, so I chose the text option. And if I want to add more, if I want to collect images as well, then I just need to click on image and then click on select all, and I can choose to give this name as image. And under type, I could select something like, let's choose text for now. It's going to give the URL for all the images which are there, and then all you need to do, just click on save. There are unsafe properties, save and continue. So as you can see, it has created a new recipe for me here, and I can click on this pencil icon and change the name of this. Okay, now we have got the recipe created, and now we can use this recipe. This is basically going to be the data source, and using this data source we can create multiple automations and workflows. So let's go to automations and see what all different automation categories are available. These you can select at all types: automation, of premium automation, of built-in automation. They have got these built-in automations already available, and then they also have got these premium automations which require some extra credits to use these, as these are third-party integrations. And then you can select the categories as well. So they have got these different categories of scraping, notifications, data transformation, research, actions, and so on. And the next option is, if you want to search for any automation, you can do that. So basically, let's have a look. You can use this, you can get AI audio transcription. You can transcribe hours of audio in minutes from a wide range of languages. And they've got all these AI image OCR, AI document OCR. It can also collect the Amazon product data. So if you want to get a detailed product page information for any Amazon product listing, you can do that. You can extract the Amazon product reviews as well, and you can utilize it in different. The possibilities are endless. As I said, that there are multiple use cases depending on your requirement and on your business. You could use Hexomatic for. And let's say we want to pick one. Let me pick one of this automation. I think they have got this automation for Google search. So perform Google searches and get served data. So we just click on that, and it is going to give you these different options. So all you need to do, just click on create workflow with this automation. So with this, you just have to, let's say you want to perform a Google search, and the keyword is you want to get information for the Hexomatic, and you can choose the number of results you want, and from how many pages, from the desktop, views, or mobile. Search type could be organic, paid, or both. It is going to collect that information. And you can also choose the country, for which country searches you want the information for. And then from this right hand side, let me move myself away for some time here, and on this right hand side you have got these automations which you can combine, or you can also click on scraping recipes. So you could use the scraping recipe which you had created. So all you need to do, just drag it over here, and the source could be the URL. And they have got these public scraping recipes as well. So depending on the kind of automation you would like to do, let's say we want Amazon product reviews, so just drag it over here, and you can give the information for the Amazon product, and it is, then what you need to do, just click on continue. let's description, and let's continue. And then you will get this information whether you want to run it now, trigger it via Hexawatch, schedule start time and date, and save as draft. So if you want to schedule this workflow to run at a particular time, you can do that. And you can also select the columns what you want in the file. So either you can do all the columns or you can select the custom columns as well. Let's select all and click on run now, and it is going to run this workflow, and you are going to get the data. And with that data you could do multiple things. You could use that to reach out to people. And let me show you the different use cases which have been mentioned for automations over here. And you are going to get the workflow which has been created. So it will send you an email once it has successfully completed the run. And let's say you want to create your own automations, you could do that as well. And let's say you want to create a new workflow, you could do that by clicking on new workflow, and you're going to get these different options over here. So you got the ready-made workflow library, data input, automations, and scraping recipe. Let's select a ready-made workflow library. These are the different use cases you could do. If you're into marketing, you could use the different marketing workflows which has been built inside Hexomatic. You could transcribe images in bulk. You can find SEO guest post opportunities. You can perform a site-wise accessibility audit, find affiliates for your product or service. So these are the different lot of use cases, as I said. And if you're into research, you can choose the different workflows for research, like research, backlink partners and contact details, audit business ranking on Google. And if you're into sales, you could use any of these workflow. Let's say you want find a B2B leads from Google Maps, discover email addresses for a list of websites, find email addresses and contact details. So you could do cold calling or cold email messages. You could also verify a list of email addresses. The possibilities are endless with the Hexomatic. As you can see, there is so much you can do. I cannot say that Hexomatic is just good for a certain section of people. It depends. It is beneficial for anyone, whether you're into affiliate marketing, you could use Hexomatic. Whether you already have got an agency level business, you could use Hexomatic. Whether you're into sales, marketing, research, all of these can use Hexomatic. And now let's have a look at the pricing for Hexomatic, how much it is going to cost you. As I said, the pricing, there are different pricing plans which are available. They've got these monthly plans. They have got a free plan as well, and then they've got these different levels: bronze, silver, gold, and enterprise. And bronze is going to cost you $24 per month, silver $49 per month, gold $99 per month. The difference is basically the number of credits which you're going to get. In the bronze plan, you're going to get 2000 automation credits. In the silver plan, you're going to get 4500 automation credits, and in the gold plan, you're going to get 10,000 credits. And obviously the annual option is always beneficial if you don't want to pay on monthly basis, and it is also going to save you a lot of money if you go with the annual plan. So with the annual plan, it is going to cost you $20 per month instead of $24. So this is silver plan is $40.83 instead of $49, and the gold plan is $82.50 instead of $99. So you can see there is a lot of money you can save. And also they've got this Independence Day weekend sale going on. where you can access all their data sources with a special 33% lifetime discount on premium credits. So that option is also available for you. So guys, I hope you found this video useful and you have got all the information which you're looking for before you buy Hexomatic. In case you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And again, just click on the link in the description to make the purchase. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.